Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for November 18th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is NoSHAVEmber. Mustache Baby by Bridget Heos, illustrated by Joy Eng. When baby Billy was born, his family noticed something odd. He had a mustache. "What does this mean?" his mother asked. "Well, it depends," the nurse said. "You'll have to wait and see whether it's a good guy mustache or a bad guy mustache." At first, it was plain to see that Billy's mustache was noble and just. He tamed a bucking bronco and became a cowboy. He always protected his cattle, cared for injured animals, and mended broken fences. After setting things right on the range, Billy rode off to become a ringleader, a Spanish painter, a sword fighter, and finally, a man of the law, for his neighborhood desperately needed him. With his cop badge, Billy was one tough hombre. He stopped speeders, outlawed poker, and caught thieves red-handed. Everyone loved having Officer Billy around. But a funny thing happened as Billy got bigger. His mustache grew and curled up at the ends. His parents' worst fears were realized. Billy had a bad guy mustache. Billy's disreputable mustache led him into a life of dreadful crime. He became a cat burglar, a serial criminal, and a train robber so heartless that he even stole the tracks. But when he planned the biggest heist of all, a bank robbery, his getaway car wasn't fast enough. He got caught and thrown in jail. Wah! Jail is no place for a baby, even a baby with a mustache. Billy tried to be strong, but he did shed a few tears. After ages and ages, Billy regretted his treacherous thievery. He wished that his evil mustache would go away. At last, his mother busted him out of jail. There, she said. "Everybody has a bad mustache day now and then." "Let's dry your tears," his father said. "The new neighbors have a baby your age. He's coming over to play." The end. We're going to do a mustache matching mat. What you'll need is markers or crayons or coloring pencils or anything to color with. I'm going to use crayons. You need glue or a glue stick. I'm using a glue stick. And your craft to go kit is this mat. Babies with mustaches. And we got 6 mustaches to match with it. So we have 1, 2, 3. This one kind of looks like a peanut butter cup, but it's a mustache. 4, 5. And this one you have to be really careful with because it's just held together by the tiniest bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color my mat and my mustaches. And you can color any colors you want. I'm going to make mine fun. And give this guy purple hair and a blue face. Now remember, you don't have to color the mustache, you can color right over the mustache because you're going to glue the new one on. So what I'm going to do is color the hair, then I'll color the face, then I'll color the matching mustache and glue it on. So I'll be back. Okay, now I've colored it. I found the matching mustache. So I'm going to glue that on and then I'm going to color the mustache. Or you could color the mustache first and then glue it on. I think I'll color the mustache first. So since his hair's purple, I'm going to make his mustache purple. I'm going to put glue on the back of it. If I can get the cap off. I'm just going to glue it right onto the face. And that's the first one. You're going to do that for all 6 of them and glue them all on. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I've attached the last mustache, and this is what my mat looks like. So they're all matched up, all colored in. And that's all there is to it.